While boiling milk, some people complain that the milk sticks to the pan or pot. Many times, people keep the milk on the gas to boil and forget about it. They are reminded of the boiling milk only when the milk spills out of the pan and is burnt. Here are a few useful tips so that your milk will not spill or stick to the bottom of the pan. With the help of these tricks, you can boil milk without worry and work simultaneously. Let's go towards the tips and hacks. The simple and good way to prevent milk from spilling is to apply butter or oil on the sides of the vessel in which you boil the milk. Wet the bottom of the pan or pot in which you are going to boil milk. Put half a cup of water in the pan, thus, milk will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Whenever you heat the milk, put a wooden spoon or spatula in the milk pan. Due to the wooden spoon, the milk will not spill out. When you want to boil the milk, put a steel spoon in the pan so that the milk will not spill and come out. You can add half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate while boiling milk. Due to sodium bicarbonate, the milk does not get spoiled even when not refrigerated. I hope you like these hacks that make your life easy. If you enjoyed this video, like it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Before going, leave a comment from which country you are watching this video. Stay in the hand of Allah Almighty. Allah Hafiz.